So a week ago, as Bitcoin started to inch towards 68K, everybody was celebrating. Now, Bitcoin started to inch towards 68K, everyone starts to panic. See, we still have the long-term vision. It's just now that the price is going down, we have a short-term mindset. I say this all the time on my channel. Everyone's a long-term investor until the price starts to go down. But in this video, Michael Saylor had a lot to say, and I just want to go over some of the things that he's got to say, which I'm going to be pulling up a little bit later on. But first, for anyone that's looking for a great crypto exchange, make sure you check out my link to BTCC. They've been around for over 13 years. It's non-KYC. You get up to 500x leverage. You get 10% bonus for signing up, and you get extra bonuses up to $10,000 per user. You can do spot, you can do leverage. Great crypto exchange. Make sure you check out my link down below. There's also going to be a link to my Patreon for anyone that wants to find some exclusive content, and you'll also get to know what I'm buying and when I'm buying. You'll also find a link to Trade Assist if you're looking for a great crypto indicator, which lets you know when's a good time to buy and sell crypto. All right, so let's dive straight into things. So if we take a look at the crypto bubbles right now, you see a whole ton of green. It's a green day, it looks like, but unfortunately, this does not tell the whole picture because this is just on the day. If we go out to the week, take a look at this. What you notice here is a whole different story. A whole ton of red, minus 14%, minus 20%, minus 18%, minus 10%. Like the crypto market has just been going down. Just today, yes, we're seeing that some of these coins are up like 1% or 2%. That's nothing to be celebrating about. Matter of fact, we're still waiting on this altcoin season that doesn't seem to want to come. Bitcoin goes up, altcoin go down. Bitcoin goes down, altcoin go down even further. Bitcoin trades sideways, altcoins does nothing. So it's just been a very, very interesting year with these altcoins. It's all just been about meme coins. It's absolutely crazy. But right now, if you take a look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin is sitting just over $68,000, right? And like I said, these altcoins aren't going anywhere, and it doesn't look like they're going to go anywhere anytime soon, because there is uncertainty in the market. With the US election, no one knows what's exactly going to happen. You know, everyone's got their prediction. Everyone thinks that one person is going to win, but if it doesn't happen, it's like, okay, well, does that mean the market is going to crash? No one knows, and uncertainty is never good in the overall crypto space. When it comes to investing in general, no one likes uncertainty, obviously. But here's the thing. If you take a look at this chart right here, what do you notice? With the US elections, 2016, boom, market skyrocketed. 2020, boom, market skyrocketed. Right now, this is where we are. We are right here, right now, waiting for the market to skyrocket. Even if we do have a slight pullback, that doesn't mean that the market is not going to skyrocket. The market is still going to skyrocket. It's just there could be a little bit of a delay depending on who wins the election, the US election. Okay, but regardless, we know where we're going in the future, and that is up. Crypto can't be stopped at this point, and anyone that's not taking advantage of certain dips in certain coins that they strongly believe in, they're going to be missing out on some life-changing opportunities. If you want to escape the current situation that you're in, if you don't like the current situation that you're in and you want out, crypto is a place for that. I strongly believe that. But remember though, nothing in this video is financial advice. Make sure you do your own research. But now let's get into what Michael Saylor had to say.
2011, like you're buying and selling Apple stock in 2011. I'm like, want to shake? I'm like, are you out of your mind? I'm trading Facebook stock back and forth between $8 a share and $4 a share and $12 a share. You're trying to like trade Apple stock between $1.25 and $1.17 and bragging about how you bought it at $1.25 and sold it at $2.11. And have you figured out the consequences of being short?
See, in that little clip that I played, he's talking about Facebook and Apple, which was the biggest thing when they first came out. And he explains how there's consequences. There's consequences for selling these things, for trading these things, for trading something that is just obviously going to explode and the world is going to catch on and everybody is going to be owning a piece of it. that is crypto. That is a lot of, well, not a lot, but that is some coins in the crypto market. There's a lot of junk, let's be honest here. But some of these coins are some serious business, some serious technology. And I think that anyone that's just hopping in and out of these coins all the time, you're just going to be very sad in the future. You have to have your long-term plays, and when you have conviction in something, trading it and trying to time the market doesn't make any sense. We all know that old saying, time in the market beats time ing the market. All right. And I think that if you're not a good trader, you don't know what you're doing, and you're literally just taking a 30% profit here and there, or your portfolio drops by 5%, you're like, oh my gosh, it's time to panic, it's time to get out. You're doing yourself a disservice, and you're going to be missing out on some life-changing opportunities here. That's what I think. All right. Again, we saw what happened with Apple. We saw what happened with Facebook. People tried to time the market going in and out of these things. And like Michael Saylor said, there was definitely people bragging that, oh, I made 50% gain on this. I made 100% gain on this. But the people that held for the long term, because they saw the vision and they believed in it, and, they knew that they weren't good traders, they held. And what's going on? I think right now Facebook is something north of $300, right? And somebody sold for pennies back in the day. And that's what some of you are doing right now in crypto. You're selling for pennies, and you're going to miss out on some life-changing opportunities. Michael Saylor is a very rich man. He's got a whole ton of money, and he can hire people, the best traders in the world, or some of the best traders in the world. I'm sure he can hire them if he wanted to try to time the market and do some trading for some of his positions, or his highest conviction positions, I should say, because I'm sure he trades like other stuff, but his highest conviction plays. But he's not doing that because he knows at the end of the day, no one is perfect, and no one can actually 100% time the market. But anyways, that's what I have for you guys today. Don't get shaken out of your long-term positions because you're afraid that the market might fall a little bit further, because if it doesn't and it starts to just rally, you're going to regret selling out of your positions completely. Always have some skin in the game at the end of the day. That's what I think. All right. But that's what I have. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Check out a few of the links that I have down below. And until next time, take care.